Happy 2019!
Let's get arrested.
Have handcuffs in the thumbnail.
My brother almost gets arrested. Yeah, emotional. I love that.
Bear,
You
bear.
have a special guest star on your channel.
Went wrong.
Bear. Bear.
Bear.
Give me attention.
You are dangerous, dude.
Bear. Bear. I want a shot of me with a blowtorch.
Is my hair okay? I didn't even look before we started. Yeah, it's fine.
You
Alright, let's go! Yay!
Come on, Bear.
If it works, I'm gonna die.
Ooh, fun. Wait, get back. Love that. Wait, let me see. I'm David Dobrik. David! Get some of my split ends out of the way.
Bear. Come here.
This way, let's go.
You wanna kind of like hurry up because it's like actually raining.
Hey, it's for the content. Let me try to open it. You work on one of those. There's thunder. She's
Yeah,
ready.
was that thunder? Oh my god, we're gonna die.
Thunder.
No, we're
thunder.
We're not gonna see 2019.
Ooh, I got it. Are we gonna get it run over?
Well, if they want to come this way, they have to run for a firework.
It's a yee truck.
I got it out of the. What? What?
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing? Oh, you.
I don't know.
Okay, how far away do we have to be, like, safety-wise?
Well, we should probably.
I don't even care. I want. This
Andre,
Thing,
no, you gotta move.
I want this thing
you
to
gotta-
blow up on my face. I want this thing to just.
Is he trying to show off his moves? Wait, that's it?
Oh.
Woo!
Yes. Love that.
Why didn't you tell me it's gonna happen? I thought it was just sparkle on that bit. Do you even vape, bro? Do you even vape?
Look at Bear. He's shook.
Bear, you okay?
He's shook.
I don't know what this one will do.
Wait.
Great.
Okay.
Wait. What about this one?
No, I want to light one off for my
I'm
channel.
doing it this time.
I don't
Okay.
know what this one will do.
I'll
either.
do the next one then for my channel.
Okay.
Oh my god,
it's
it is
pouring.
raining.
All right, quick.
Okay.
Okay.
So all you have to do.
Oh
is
my god, it's raining.
Okay.
All right, light it. You gotta light it. again.
Back up, back up. That's all you got? Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. She said, I'm so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I want to light the next one.
All right. This is great content.
Wait, how do I do it? Huh? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, be careful. He doesn't even know what that one does.
All the way so it's
Okay.
open. And then
Andre, back away.
to close it, you do it like you just go all the way until it's there. So
Okay. Is it that one? So I just light the top?
light
Casey,
this little thing.
I don't know what to do. Do I die for the content? Do I?
Ew, it smells bad.
Yeah, it's gas, Sophia. Oh, you have to go back. You have to go back.
Oh.
It didn't light.
Wait, back up.
Oh wait. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, that's the best one yet.
That's all you got?
That's all you got, bro?
That's all you got?
You even vape?
Do you even vape? Is that
Wait.
all the rain?
No, I want to light another one.
No, I want to.
Okay, fine.
Channel.
Okay.
Me and Logan will light one together.
Oh, couple goals.
That's actual dynamite.
Oh my God. We're gonna blow a hole in the street. Oh, I was gonna do that.
Logan.
Piss off, ghost. We gotta pick that up. Don't worry, YouTube. We're gonna pick it up. It's okay. Okay. We go in and then we run for our lives. Run!
Oh my god.
Woo! That's a road flare.
We are here. Oh.
Woo! Oh my God. Okay.
Kick it.
Is there one more for me to light?
Yeah.
And then we'll be done?
There's actually two more.
Ooh, brother and sister light?
I don't know
Oh
what
my
this
God,
tiny one does, so if someone wants to hold it.
I'm not
Hold it?
holding anything.
Excuse me?
He's crazy.
Hold it.
I probably look crazy in the sliding.
Wait, can we just put it sideways? Or is that a bad idea?
That's a bad idea.
Oh.
Cause it's
Oh,
gonna like
it'll shoot off.
it's gonna shoot into the neighbor's window.
Don't
What
we
if
have
I
a little
hold
holder
it,
inside?
but then like drop it immediately?
So this is sort of like
Ooh,
the same.
you light it and I'll throw it into the air.
Wait, fun.
Will that work?
No.
Look at little bear.
Where is it? He's there.
Bye, He's
Chiller.
like, I don't like this. Y'all
He
crazy.
does not approve.
A makeshift holder.
Okay, so that's angled, so it's going to shoot somewhere.
Sideways, yes.
Don't we have a holder inside
don't
for
rub
the other
it.
one?
We should probably aim it that way down the street so we can go pick it up.
Right.
Right.
Wait, is this a brother-sister one under?
Yeah,
On-
you take the blowtorch.
I can't twist the
You
thing.
got-
I'm so weak.
Weak. Only David Dobrik can do this.
Apparently.
Is it this way to open?
Logan, you gotta back up, sweetie.
You got no. He's gonna run, right? As soon as we light it, you gonna run.
Do that Casey Neistat.
I got it.
You gonna run? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
What's up?
Run!
What's up? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Oh, hi.
You might want to close.
I know. I got it.
Just so you don't burn it.
Or the content. I will light that one. I will light that.
We don't have a holder for this,
So it's just gonna shoot down the street.
basically.
We should probably start like down there.
Yeah.
Let's go. You coming? We
Yes.
ready? Oh.
You look insane.
I know.
This is very dangerous.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but it's for the content. This is the grand finale. This is the big kahuna. Oh, that was real small.
So,
Shook. So I light the end.
Wait, should we let
right down
should we let Logan do this?
do you want me to do
No, I can do it.
Okay.
You questioning me? I got it. Just light the end.
Right there.
Oh, that end. Okay,
Yeah.
I was gonna like the fat end, like me. All right. Here we go. Oh, okay. That didn't light. Is it for a second? All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
Wow. Oh,
Oh.
wait. Hello?
And
It just
we're done.
blows up. Wait, you're gonna hold it and do it?
Are you crazy? Oh my god. Oh,
Logan!
Logan, put it down.
What is wrong with you?
We're done.
Okay, that's it. Happy New Year, y'all. Bye, girl. Woo! Yay, yay!